Nigeria police on it again. My people, as we dey talk right now, very soon Nigeria police na dem go dey control your phone o. The information wey dey reach us right now allegedly say that any WhatsApp call, anything wey you dey do for your phone from now henceforth, that Nigeria police are going to be monitoring you to make sure that they control anything. If you talk about Tinubu, e dey for wahala o. If you talk against the government, e dey for wahala o. My people, things are happening. However, before we jump inside this news, please quickly rush now and try to follow our new page, what they call Balabas Gist Vlog, so that you will get the information as it dey happen for that area. This one I be shokotalize. You know that thing where they talk Islamization. Now we dey inside. The government of don't say your mind. If you say your mind, they go buy you. That is what they call Sharia. Many of you do not know, but however, you get other Ogbonge news what we get for table. But I go play this video, may you listen before we go come jump inside another Ogbonge news waiting for our table today. Stay tuned and watch the video from beginning to end. Don't forget to stay there for Balabas Gist. So watch the video now before we proceed.
People of Rivers State and people of Nigeria, and a good day. I greet everybody. Good day. Happy new month. Happy new month. Happy new month. The dirty water, I don't come again. The Ogedimbo one of Niger Delta, the Ikwere one. The good and the bad and the ugly. The activist itself. The freedom fighter, I don't come. What can I say the kind law where police they give us?
The new communication rules for WhatsApp and WhatsApp call, that is voice and WhatsApp call, will be implemented from tomorrow. 1. All calls will be recorded. 2. All calls recording will be saved. 3. WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all social media will be monitored. 4. Your devices will connect to the ministry system. 5. Take care not to send a wrong message to anyone. 6. Tell your children, siblings, relatives, friends, acquaintances that they should be careful of them and rarely run social sites. 7. Do not send any bad post or video against the government regarding politics or the current situation. 8. It is currently a crime to write or send a bad message on any political or religious issues. Doing so can lead to arrest without warrant.
Now they see, this is no end for deal. Now, police, they tell us how we go live our life. They enter our privacy. They decide for us. Their duty no be to protect us, life and property. You know how now they go declare me wanted. They wanted, don't they sweet me. And I hear say they go arrest you without warrant of arrest. We don't ready for as activists. But we don't ready. Woman rights activists now will be freedom fighter. Make the world hear them. I no go stop to the talk. This one word they talk now no go make me stop.
Important information about WhatsApp new rules to group members. 1. Message sent, 1 tick. 2 tick, message reach. 2 blue tick, message read. 3 blue tick, the government took note of the message. 2 blue and 1 red tick, the government can take action against you. 1 blue and 2 red tick, the government is checking your information. 3 red tick, the government has started proceeding against you and you will get a court summons soon. Be a responsible citizen and share with your friends.
The law we police they give us. Say social media say, WhatsApp say, Facebook say, no be president bring law, no be National Assembly, no be House of Rep. Say the law we police they give. We know the democracy again. Now Sharia we dey. Now military Abacha time. They can see law within they give. They won't enter person privacy. Make una just see, we no get mouth to talk again. So while they talk this in, make the whole world hear them. Activists all over the world, more than hear them. Freedom fight all over the world, more than hear them. That's just they control us like television, like remote. They press us, use remote, they press us. People. Listen to the world. Thank you very much. Thank you.
My wonderful people, this one are waiting they call taking of freedom from the people's hand. He don't read though. As he be like this now, this one, he don't read. You know, say this country, I don't know what they give them at the rice where they share. They give people they eat. As people now can't eat rice, over rice is allowed. Now come make nobody feel stand up for a right again. See small children will stand up for their right. Now that they call say they go use 10 million come bail them for the country. I know say not elders and not people no go take this one. Very soon you go see the reaction of the north. Just the watch. Yoruba and the Hausa and the Fulani, you go set for them. Just the watch because they are not going to take this one. My people, you don't read though. If this thing is not for business, if they don't hold those children just for do business, collect chop money for Nigeria head, you know say this one they go react. But if not for business, not no go do anything. Just mark my word. My people, let us show you this video. This is not the current situation of our youth as we dey talk right now. I'm asking question. Why are people not learning work again? Why the youth don't want to be useful for themselves? There is so many things to do out there. Before is business, but right now there's so many things you can do as a young man. Why do you choose thief as your occupation? I don't understand though. This is happening in Anambra State. Why do the people choose thief as their occupation these days? I don't know. Anyone you ask what are you, they say I'm thieving. You are thieving for a living since 2014. This guy is thieving now. If this guy have learned something from now you'll be useful for yourself. What is wrong with our youth? What is actually wrong? Let me play this video before we watch. Let us come back and continue watch the video.
How many years ago?
24 years.
Only
can nezu.
Is the name again?
Only can nezu.
Kedem we be those who
Since 2015, sir.
Kebi those who
Yes, sir.
Kedem again an is earlier.
Had a mother for.
Kadafa.
Atiko. Troops. Tolerance yana or more.
Atiko one year bear.
Atiko were you to do Wallasa.
Choose 1 year bear.
Troops wear a bag and asa.
Moku 1 year bear.
A walk away as your
Tolerance 1 year bear.
Tolerance I'm more with dog by an
Okay. So near you where is open.
Yes, sir.
Can you many special squad you edge again?
As you motor name, we have a time this Scottish called a vegetarian, sir.
Kemo Tizulia.
Yeah, I shuttle board.
Shuttle boss are there.
Yes, sir.
So no go Zulia.
Yes, sir.
Can you show you na why?
Yes, sir.
Kebis no Zue.
Galikava and road, sir.
Nenugu.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I don't know your commander special squad agree AVG if they do. I na ni bonina ya dem. Come watch Silia ga ma sign here.
Yes, sir.
So no go bachari ya ba na hwe.
Yes, sir.
So it's not shuttle boss like Izu.
Yes, sir.
They show you na why.
Yes, sir.
On when can I suggest you?
No, sir.
So also go Zulia.
Yes, sir.
Kebis no Zue.
Ever pack, yes, sir. When ever use yes, sir.
Nebe.
Nenugu, sir. I think Galiki and load, sir.
They show you na why.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can they this guys go in Anambra State?
Let's go more in a bagana. Zone Imo. Zone Zowell. Zone Oco, Zone Agulele. Zone if they do, sir.
Zone ebe kwazo Enugu.
Nenugu, sir.
This is going in Enugu.
Yes, sir.
Zone Abagana.
Yes, sir.
Zone Animo.
Yes, sir.
Zone Iftedun.
Yes, sir.
Zone Okozo.
Yes, sir.
Zone Agulele.
Yes, sir.
Since you just only na ejide kwa.
No, sir.
That and this special squad jide ke ka odigi.
All the me go didn't call within curfew.
You believe na ejide gi?
Around 9 age then since to Amuta, sir. 3 months, sir.
Okay, since 3 months kizu motor from Enugu.
Yes, sir.
Ule nata Anambra.
Yes, sir.
Ule na emegeni.
We had one chance, sir. Now come and show. Maybe I join you, sir.
Okay, eji motor na eme one chance na Anambra. Na ebia jondo eh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you believe on a special squad ejide gi?
No, sir.
E dey show you na gwa.
Yes, sir.
Onwe mege force ni yi na ekwu.
No, sir.
Confession ni na onwe mege force.
No, sir.
Akwa ime ke na gwa.
Yes, sir.
Apart from Anambra State, kedụ ebe ndị zugasi goro ori?
When this lorry will Enugu, sir.
Kedụ ihe ndị zugasi n'Enugu?
Man go tell you, sir. na-ebikwa m ajọ ndụ n'Enugu sa.
Kedu ihe ndị izugasị n'Enugu?
Ezigo m ọkada ndị mmadụ na-ejere na-ezu ma fon ndị mmadụ n'Enugu sa.
Izugo gịnị gịnị na gịnị?
Ezigo m ọkada na-ejere.
Meshin ole ka izu n'Enugu?
Meshin na ka m zugo n'Enugu sa.
Kedu ebe ilere ya?
N'Enugu sa.
Ka ilekwara ya?
Yes sir.
Ime ebe ilere ya?
Yes sir.
Kedu afọ ebe ilere ya?
Elenye na artisan garlic sa.
Ede chọọ ihe na-agwa anyị?
Yes sir.
Ma ndị lesiri ya?
Yes sir.
Okay. Isi na na-emekwa gịnị ọzọ n'Enugu?
Na-enwekwa one chance sa.
Ị na-eme one chance n'Enugu?
Yes sir.
Na-eme gịnị?
Na-ebi m ajọ ndụ n'Enugu sa.
Na-emekwa gịnị ọzọ?
Na-ala m ashawo sa.
Na-eme gịnị ọzọ?
Na ndị mmadụ fon ba sa.
Na ndị mmadụ fon.
Yes sir.
Izute ihe anyị na-ezute lecha ha, kedu iji dị money eme?
Eji nye bi ajọ ndụ sa. Na lodge na hotel, na ndị ashawo.
N'ala ndị ashawo?
Yes sir.
Ashawo anyị n'ala ka o si atọ gị?
Ọ na-atọ m belebele.
Dị ashawo na-atọ gị gịnị?
Belebele.
Ịdị shiri na-agwa anyị?
Yes sir.
So na iji ego ahụ ebu ashawo?
Yes sir.
Na lodge na hotel?
Yes sir.
Na-ebi ajọ ndụ?
Yes sir.
Ihe na-ekwu bụ eziokwu?
Yes sir.
O nweghị ọzọ iji dị money eme?
No sir.
Isi na ndị ashawo na-eme gị gịnị?
Ọ na-atọ m belebele.
Dị ashawo na-eme gị gịnị?
Na-atọ m belebele.
Ịdị shọ ihe na-ekwu?
Yes sir.
So na ọgụ azụ moto a
Yes sir.
buru ya nata Anambra?
Yes sir.
Iyi na-ekwu nwe ime gị force?
No sir.
Akwa ịdị shọ ihe na-agwa anyị?
Yes sir.
Isi na since 2015 ka izu were ori?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Ị gago nga before?
No sir.
Sisi je zuo ori ejide nugo gị?
No sir.
Tata ndị special squad ji ka ahụ dị gị?
Ọ dị nke ọgwụ dị nka fim.
Kedu advice ị na-enye ndị na-ezu ori dịka gị?
Akwụsị izu ori na oli adịrọ mma. Kwụsị na izu ori na oli adịrọ mma o. Kwụsị na izu ori. Ama na ndị special squad agụ ihe ejide m ọ dị nke ọgwụ dị nka fim. Ama na a na-ama ka esi sitere m nso mbata.
So since iji webata 3 months na Anambra, mmadụ one ka ị napụgo phone with moto a?
Mmadụ na-abụ nkịtị sa.
Ịdị shọ ihe na-ekwu?
Yes sir.
And iji moto eme one chance n'obodo a?
Yes sir.
Okay. So biko na anyị na-ekene ndị Audio AVG Anambra State, na-ekene nna anyị ukwu Ọkpọmpi, na-ekene awa ebe gọvanọ solution is here. Gọvanọ Soludo ezigbo mmadụ, nna anyị ukwu, wee na-ekene Igwe Dr. Mekilon II onye eziokwu, mee ka the whole member of special squad dị agile, dị active n'ọrụ. Igwe Dr. Mekilon anyị were eziokwu anyị megide na mmadụ onye aka adọchasị hapịa ka ọ na anyị mee keshọn anyị sanitize and ifte duna na Anambra na Dunukọfịa, not support by Governor, our able governor, the solution. Na ka anyị ji aga wee na-ekene nna anyị ukwu mkpọmkpọ onye akwa aja afọ gị ike Dunukọfịa, anyị na-ekene gị ọnwa na ifte dunu ezigbo mmadụ. Ọ sị anyị gawa n'ihu, anyị achọkwana mmadụ okwu, anyị megide na mmadụ, anyị gbochi na mmadụ ọnụ, anyị kwuru n'eziokwu onye aka dị ọcha sị hapịa ka ọ na-akwa n'eziokwu. So ọ ya anyị na-arụ n'obodo a, anyị adịghị emegide mmadụ, wee na-ekene nna anyị ukwu kwụ awa ebe ụlọọlọ Osodieme nwunye ike Dunukọfịa, nnukwu Sam, nnukwu lọya, si anyị kwuru n'eziokwu, anyị emegide na mmadụ. Anyị na-arụ ọrụ otu kwesịrị ka anyị si rụọ, anyị agafe na mabandịrị na ọya anyị na-arụ, anyị sanitize anyị ifitedun ka ọ dị mma, ndị bi n'ozi, ndị bi n'ụlọ, ndị n'obodo bụ ndị na-ebe dị iche iche bata ka ha dị save na ifitedun. Ọkwa n'eziokwu ihe ọnwụ na-ekpuchiri ekpuchi na ifitedun anyị na-emepe ọ dị open. So onye ụnụ na-afọ ebe nnukwu criminal ozugo ezigbo oshi ma Anambra ma n'Enugu, na-ebu ma moto ndị mmadụ na-ele, na-ebu ma machine na-ele, na-break houses, na-ebu ma properties. Akwa ndị bụcha home theater ha?
Yes sir.
Akwa ndị bụcha home theater ha?
Yes sir.
So onye na n'onye commander special squad agụghị mụ na my team anyị si n'obodo anyị adị mma. Ekene m unu.
Welcome back, my people. If you are youth out there, please go and look for something and be doing. There is so many things. There's so many things you can put your hand inside. You will become millionaire overnight. Go and look for a place where you can learn all these digital skills. Learn how to build website, how to develop, how to do so many things, how to manage AI, how to do promoting. There's so many things you can do that will give you that your dream life than stealing people hard-earned money, than stealing people's property. I don't know what is wrong with our youth. This generation of 25 century, I don't know what is wrong with you people. I don't actually know. In our days, we will serve our master, will become what we be today. But I don't understand what is wrong with you guys. Look for something and learn and leave Oshu. Thief is not a handwork. I don't know who give you this orientation. Maybe it's the lad and the mini. All those things you guys take is what tell you that thief is occupation. It's not occupation. They are doing one interview in the other video. He say he's going to work. Thief is now work. You don't read, my people. Share this video and make sure say they follow this channel for more updates as it dey hot. Here whereby they quote you here, you hear truth here, nothing but the truth. We don't carry fake news. So that's why our channel they pay some people because they don't like what we do. They want more they carry propagandas and the lies. So now waiting they need. So because we choose not to carry propagandas and lies, many of them are trying to follow us. But thank you so much. As they come out, the people who love what they do, they come in. So we wish you good luck. My people, please share the video and make sure say they follow this channel. That's all it be. Thank you so much for watching.